Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Homtainment. Today I am going to share the recipe of super delicious Shahi Badami Korma. Ingredients with their quantities are given in the description box. We will start this recipe with the marination of mutton. We need mutton 750 grams, salt 1.5 teaspoon, red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon. I am using freshly chopped ginger garlic paste and 400 grams of yogurt. Now mix all the ingredients. In the meantime, we will grind our masalas like black cardamom, 2 pieces, mace and nutmeg 1/4 piece, and peeled almonds with peanuts. Blend all the ingredients in the blender and set it aside. Now it's time to prepare the gravy. For this we need to take half cup of oil. I am using the same oil in which I fried my onions. Now add whole spices 6 to 8 cloves and 4 cardamoms. In this spices we will add our marinated mutton and let it cook for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. The meat will release its water with yogurt. Now cover it with pressure cooker lid and cook it in the pressure cooker for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, release the pressure. Now it's time to dry up all the water and keep stirring until all the water dries. Now it's time to add our other ingredients. I'm going to add fried onions 1 cup, coriander powder 1 teaspoon and cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Kewera water 1 teaspoon. This will give pleasant fragrance to your korma. And korma spice powder just prepared in the beginning. Now mix all the ingredients and let it cook for another 20 minutes on a very low flame. Keep stirring all the way. After 20 minutes, korma is ready. Turn off the flame and serve it hot with chapati or naan. Enjoy your Shahi Badami Korma. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.